Sing along with me.
Oh,
Yes,
you can't blame the youth.
You can't blame the youth.
You can't talk about Christopher Columbus and they say that he was a great man. They talk about Michael Bobo and they say he was a great man. You can't blame the youth of today.
The youth.
You can't blame the youth. When Christmas comes, you buy a piece in a pretty nice gun.
See?
Yes.
Now, we are going this one freestyle. You elder them, what are you gonna teach the youth? Each and every day the youths are looking forward for the truths and right. Right now, with I break Minox.
One drop. Bye bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Me bigger, me brother, me massive, me larger, me bigger, me brother. Me bigger, me brother, me massive, me larger,
See?
me bigger, me brother, me massive, me larger, me coming and dance, me coming and
Yes, I.
murder style.
Yes.
One more time. Sister. You can't blame the youth. You can't blame the youth.
Great Peter Trash.
Yes, sir. Me love my bread.
Gare.
Yes, Mr. Minox. How are you, my brother?
Gare, but you.
Pachere. Sinaya. Love.
Gare, look at the reggae.
Reggae can do message. People know the message because of reggae. Zimbabwe is roots rockers music. Reggae guy say then to simbisa my youth edu manje message edu kuma youth dread
They are distorted.
but now
They are distorted.
they need to know because the generations were still there.
No, it's distorted. Why do you distorted?
Yes, sir.
Because my elders said this is Mangurenje and Levi.
All right.
And I wish on Roddie and I Bob Marley and Peter Tushin and Baniwela.
Surely so.
Those guys, they were not singing for today. They were singing about the future.
And the future still stands.
And that's why their music still stands.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
It no die, it lives forever for sure.
Forever and ever.
Forever and ever. So now, like in this time we are living 2023, how can we big up, motivate our young ones
That's
to go
why
forward?
I'm just on even by toast.
All right.
But then I want to Zimdancehall. My records, my records. And I Papa Leaf. Papa Leaf, I ever make God, me King, me name Jehovah, me God, me King, me name Jehovah. Yeah, why is it?
Yeah, man, just a few words.
I saw Yimba, I saw you don't do fast style
All right.
in the UK.
Truly.
But I can't remember compare on a yellow man because I got a yellow man is his own style.
Yeah,
And
man.
he's got his own style.
Every man got his own mission, which judges.
But at the same time,
preceded, yes, man.
Tantina na Tonto Metro.
Truly.
Tonto Metro is King James.
This is.
Ndio wakavaji style ya General Levi's.
See.
Nana Admiral Bailey, but ana Admiral Bailey wakatouya kuna King James.
Yeah,
But
man.
ana Tonto Metro wagara nga wakatoriko.
But what was the main message which the conscious music, the original music, was still portraying? Was what we are interested, that message is what holds our youth today and give them more confidence in their living. So we want to reason more about what kind of a message was projecting from the music of reggae music. From ancient times.
The message in the music
Yeah,
is
man.
in the heartbeat.
See,
It's in the drum and the
truly,
bass. And
truly.
when you play a dub, like Negria Love Dub by Linval Thompson,
Yeah, man.
and
Yeah, true.
you can feel the vibe, even if no one is singing.
Truly.
And the people behind that music was Arnold Flabberwold. Something I forgot his last name.
Right.
Flabberwold Root Radix.
Truly.
But it was produced by Linval Thompson.
Wow.
You know, see it.
Wow. He was the original producer.
No, producer is the guy who pays the money for the studio.
Yeah, man.
And you
Yeah, man.
got that the musical instruments.
And the musical
The players of
arrangement
instruments.
as well, and the arrangement of the music.
No, the arrangements of the music
Yeah.
was freestyle.
See.
But the main person in Roots Radix was Flabberwold. Then comes Still and Cliffy. Right? When comes Steely.
Still was one of them.
Steely was there is a mistake.
Why?
Because there was a song by Barrington Levi, Prisoner Lover.
Yes. It is.
Prisoner.
See.
Do you know this song?
Yeah, it's in the original tune. Yeah,
But when they let Steely do
man.
that song, that was the end of
wow.
Roots Radix.
Wow.
But Roots Radix was Gregory as explained.
See. Which song do you still remember which comes to mind now?
Jai Filoja. I gotta carry Jai Filoja. I German.
Yes. Got to carry
Jai
Filoja.
Yes. Because before I went to Canada, right?
Yeah, man.
Eric Donaldson, I German and culture. Joseph Hill, they came here.
Yeah,
Those
they
are the
did.
music we
Yeah,
listen.
indeed.
But Gregory came with Chicken Chest. Don Carlos came.
Yeah, don't call it say I
Yeah.
said him as
UB40 came.
it was there.
You know what I mean? I wasn't part of the promotion, so we really didn't
Even
understand.
Aswad was around.
Aswad came too.
Yes, Aswad.
You understand?
Yeah, I understand. King Sounds.
King Sounds, Misting Roots.
Missing Roots was there as a so for
You
long.
understand?
For so long.
That's why Munyai was living.
Munya Brown.
Yeah,
Yes.
they were given farming.
Truly. Yes,
You
still
understand?
he's I think he's one of the most renowned drummers in the formation of Transit Crew. So Transit Crew right
He
now
was-
is
he
still
was the
functioning.
founder of
yeah,
Transit.
He is indeed. Yeah, man.
Like with
So-
Emmanuel Brown in Culture Tea.
Indeed. Our
Yes,
Tendai Kamori.
Itendeka More.
Yeah, man.
But do you know that there's an original Culture Tea in Jamaica?
yeah, in Jamaica.
And
understand.
Tendai came with the Zimbabwean girl, but there's a song called Jamaican Girl.
Wow, but
That's the original.
yeah, man.
Let's see.
Which other song from Tendai can you remember?
Hello.
Most of them were gospel. Most of them were gospel.
Kuda.
Yeah, and he started singing in Shona.
Yeah. Plus the Shona.
But
reggae
Tenda
style.
wasn't as big as when we went to Zimbabwe. He wasn't as big as Parijai.
Paris, I feel.
Yeah,
Yeah, he's my friend.
And
yeah.
he's now a police officer. He should have a rank.
We
right now.
formed a group together with Parizai and them during that time, just going to go Africa. When we were still doing the dance was for
Yes.
Zimbabwe over there. So he's a Britain I know, and we used to go to his yard and even more dances there.
And there was guys
For
and Takunda,
Taku.
with front line.
Yeah, I remember Takunda.
And though I didn't equipment Nigeria.
Yeah, Jerry. Yeah, I know Jerry.
Nana Jose was a technician in Moscow.
Oh, man.
You see it.
What about Silverstone now? How
But
was
Silverstone,
it?
we're not part of it.
Silverstone was
Silverstone is
on
90s. We're talking about the 80s.
Yes. It
We're
was
talking
just
about the
there
80s.
upper later. Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
And Jabi was just a man who was a bully. Was trying to stop the ghetto youth in Africa. Go to youth. But I ended up being.
What you mean, like, how bullied the man was?
I got Bula from the Murizu Jerry. I got Mutara South 16.
Oh, see, like,
And you want-
found in every,
you understand?
every time, man, generation and generation.
And vanhu vakamuinza vacho ana power vaafrica yeone sound system
Yeah, man.
jabi yakambogara muna tedavhenyu
Overstand.
zvokudaro
Yes, I. For a long time.
for a long time
Yeah, man.
akatotsvagirwa chimoko chake nafara ishamba rechimuna sis akati yehosis ainzi madelini or something like that menos staracho
Man,
waisiya
so roots reggae music in Zimbabwe has come from quite a long time. Where do you think maybe the actually musical vibe starts, especially the
from the
reggae?
liberation struggle because reggae music helped free up Zimbabwe.
Yes, true.
Reggae
In
music
1980.
no 70s reggae music with Mike Mundu and Freddie Zin.
Yeah, man.
Those guys are the pioneers of reggae music in Zimbabwe.
Rightfully.
Mike Mundu and Freddie Zin.
Freddie Zin is still there, isn't it? I think he's teaching.
But those are the pioneers before Africa won.
Wow.
Why is this?
Great. But I think Freddie was more instrumental now towards bringing other artists from, like, I think Aswad was one of the most initial.
Those guys were exposed. They live in England, they went to school in England.
True.
So they were exposed to the artists themselves, the music.
Yes, sir. Indeed.
And they played the role of bringing Bob Marley to Zimbabwe.
Indeed.
Bob Marley was supposed to come by himself.
But he come with the whole band.
He said, no,
Yeah.
I've never performed in front of a black crowd.
Right.
So he sponsored himself.
Yeah,
He brought his own equipment.
So otherwise it was a very, what do you call it, patriotic move. Because I think he stood for the black people and their...
His music
rights.
was not popular in Jamaica. His music was popular in Europe.
Yeah, man.
Where these two guys are
man.
they were in Europe
By those
that
times.
time.
Yeah, man.
With other Jamaicans, whatever, Trinidadians. You know the Windrush. Windrush. Windrush, vanhu vanenge vakabva kuna Caribbean countries vachipinda mu-UK vachinovaka njanji.
True.
Yes.
See.
Saka, with the help of the internet right now, you have to research and don't be too busy to find the truth.
No, truth should be found.
Never be too busy to find the truth. You understand?
It is true. The truth is very vital. I feel, especially for the young generations, with the generations, if they know the truth, they master the truth and they want to live by it. And maybe that's the one which will emancipate them from.
But do you know that now people won't even understand where I'm coming from because I'm drinking fire water?
No, it's
Yeah,
not,
yeah,
it's
yeah,
not a
me
fire
out.
water thing. It's not
If I'm drinking fire water,
man.
they will say, oh, he's drunk and he might be
but truth
But
comes
when they
from
go into
every
it,
corner, man, and it comes from the
you know, see,
unusual corners. That's where you get truths coming from. So sometimes it's not what the priest, how the priest lives, but it's what the priest says which counts. So this is the message,
what the priest says
yeah.
is to take away your land and make you a slave in your own land.
You see now, but you can't be a slave no more.
Do you know what? Germany just and once
All right, but let's sing this song and let's freestyle one more time. Long time ago, Jagai. In this time, Jagai. The Aya Bingi order, guide. The Melchizedek order, guide. What you do, you got to do the right, and what you say, got to say the truth. Get to stand for do good. Got to stand for do good. Jawex, when you see the rain falling. Jawex, when you see the sunshine. Jawex, when you see the rain falling. Jawex, when you see Jawex are serious, cantankerous and dangerous. Don't play with fire, it's serious. It's like lightning and thunder, like brimstone and fire.
Hold on, easy.
Yes, sir.
You just sing two songs. You're a pirate.
No, I'm not a pirate.
No, you're a pirate.
You
just sing to the fabulous song. Only Jawex make you make. Only Jawex. It's on digital Bobby label.
No,
right?
It's original.
And you just sang Admiral Tibet.
The
song.
eye
The time
is
is serious. Cantankerous and dangerous.
This is original.
That's Admiral. You're a pirate.
No, it can be piracy.
You can't pirate people.
This is not piracy. It's
You're a
something.
pirate.
Music is, it comes, it
No,
makes
no.
a dimension.
Don't be
where
a
it
pirate in
means.
this
No,
time.
I'll not be a pirate.
In this
man.
time and the other time and any other time.
Rastafari
See,
live, man.
you have to be
See,
original in this time.
I live original, man.
No, man.
This
No,
music
man.
is coming from my heart.
No, it's not coming from my heart.
That.
You heard the music on the radio somewhere
because
on
the experience
dance.
of the music which I've lived upon.
No, may
is-
I tell you,
yeah,
Bridget,
man,
you're
Rastafari.
pirates.
No pirates.
You're pirates.
Never be a pirate.
You understand?
Me never be a pirate.
Don't be a copycat.
Me not become copycat.
Yeah.
The music
yeah.
I've lived to understand is what inspire I and I. And I
What is
inspiration is when I bring it out. See, it can't be a pirate. Rasta.
Sing out.
Can't.
Sing out your original songs.
Serious, dangerous. Jowits are so serious, dangerous. Rastafari live.
You understand? This song is
Take it
hear
out.
me out. This song is by Admiral Tibet and Shabba Ranks did it with Ninja Man. Shabba Ranks and Admiral too. The time is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. A pirate in my pirate.
No,
man.
I can't be pirate.
A Rasta man, a pirate.
Man, this is
Pirate.
coming from I, man.
Can't pirate people
It's an
things, man.
experience now.
No.
Dread.
What-
It's now
what-
experience.
Miss not that dread, Miss a
I love
Rasta
it. That
man.
is Rastafari music.
Yeah, no, man.
I'll never
Don't
play
be a
another.
pirate.
It's heartbeat music.
Don't you know it?
It's coming from my heart.
I know that music, but maybe you can say he was inspired by this artist.
Yeah, man.
That's why
And
That's
he's
it
forgetting
too.
part of the lyrics that makes it.
yes,
That
he just
makes
come
it
up with
voiced.
his own. He's inspired. He's singing inspired music.
See.
You cannot say this time he has come up with his own.
Sure.
No,
Let me tell you
it
something.
can't be.
If I sing like Alkembo song, if you want my loving, you better work hard for it. It's not my song.
So you can
How
say
Kembo?
you are just lip singing.
No, it's a song that I like. You know what I mean? If I sing John Osborne's song, it's if you happy and you love it, say rewind. Jack it up, operator, pull it one more time, rewind. Happy and you love it. You understand? It's not my song. I should not.
I'm just kidding.
By the way,
I'm reading back.
And I can go to the slang thing and I won't speak. Under me slang me, under me slang thing. Under me slang me, under me. And you go to Barrington, under me something.
So it's just a journey music.
Hey,
It's a journey.
you can go to
music,
Echo
man.
Mine under me sling thing.
No one
Under
wants
me
the
sling
music,
thing.
yeah.
Under me. Echo Mine is the only person who sing 2 songs on that slim thing rhythm. He also put one monkey, put one monkey, put one monkey on me. Put one monkey, put one monkey on me. Take up my mic, man. I mean, why is here? It's not my sound. It's the music I love. But these guys are pirates.
No, we are singing the music we love, man. That's the music from
No,
our heart,
reality.
man. No, it's my music.
Just say what you, I know.
True.
No. You can say, you can't blame the youth. You can't blame the youth. That's a Peter Tosh song.
See,
For sure, he's the copycat.
yes, I